The POXO case in which Mr. Yediyurappa is an accused, we conducted a press meet from Naveddu Nilladidare, pressing for many things, and the CID has told the special POXO court that Mr. Yediyurappa is destroying evidence, that he is trying to tamper with the witnesses. In spite of that, the High Court has given him protection from arrest, and the High Court, it is unfortunate that the constitutional value of equality before law does not seem to have been practiced here, and it's also unfortunate that the Home Minister gave a statement questioning the mental health of the complainant's mother. It is unfortunate that BJP Karnataka has also been putting out tweets questioning the mental health of the complainant's mother, and BJP Karnataka and the Home Minister have to apologize to the people of the state.
The court has told he is not any Tom, Dick or Harry, so what have you to say about that?
The court has said he is not any Tom, Dick or Harry. The question, like I already mentioned, is equality before law. The constitution talks about equality before law. So we have to question today if chief ministers and politicians are to be treated separately. And in this case, if the investigation does not proceed in a neutral manner and in a quick manner, we might have to hit the streets in protest.
And there's one more thing, the thing is age factor, and it's a false case that a victim has filed many 53 or 54
that
cases.
Is already proved to be false. There is a report in the News Minute saying that there are no 53 cases. There might be 53 memorandums. This minor was sexually assaulted many years ago. The investigation in that case has not been proceeding properly, and it is in relation to that the mother has filed complaints and has submitted memorandums.
So what will the next course of action be in case?
Like I already mentioned,
Yediyurappa has told he is going to cooperate with
if the evidence is not recovered, and if Mr. Yediyurappa does not cooperate with the investigation, we'll have to hit the streets in protest.
I have with me Gauramma. They heard a press conference. We heard a press conference today regarding why the courts are not and the police are not taking action against Yediyurappa in the POSCO case. Gauramma, ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಏನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ?
ಇವತ್ತು ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 14ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಕೇಸ್ ಒಂದು ಸಂತ್ರಸ್ತರ ತಾಯಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 14ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಂದ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರ ಬಂಧನ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ 3 ತಿಂಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಈಗ ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, 90 ಡೇಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆರೋಪಿಯನ್ನು ಬಂಧನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡದೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ ವಹಿಸಬೇಕು, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, ತ್ವರಿತಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 90 ದಿನ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವ್ರು ಬಂಧನ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ವಿನಾಕಾರಣ CID ಪೊಲೀಸವರು ದಿನಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಕರೆಯೋದು, ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಗಳನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿನಾಕಾರಣ ತೊಂದರೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಯಮ್ಮ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಆಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ದೂರನ್ನ ಮರೆಮಾಚಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ 53 ಕೇಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟೋ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಸುಳ್ಳು. ಕೇವಲ ಇರೋದು 2 ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಕೇಸ್.
ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಲಾ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಹೌದು, 2 ಹಾಕಿರುವಂಥ ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಕೇಸು. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇರ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಿಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಬಲಾಢ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾನೂನು. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾನೂನು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಿಗೊಂದು ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಬಂಧನ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಪೋಕ್ಸೋ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತ್ವರಿತಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ಕಾನೂನುಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರ ಬಂಧನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಒತ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಹೆಸರು?
ಅಖಿಲ ಭಾರತ ಜನವಾದಿ ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸಂಘಟನೆ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟು ಗೌರಮ್ಮ ಅಂತೇಳಿ.
I have with me Shilpa. She's from the All India Progressive Women Association. They have come here to protest against why Yediyurappa has been given special treatment, why he has not been arrested. They had a press conference. Shilpa, what exactly have you to say regarding this POSCO?
See, one thing is that, there are no 53 complaints. There were 6 complaints. And the victim and her family had to keep following up with the police to even take her complaint seriously. Right? And we have to look at this not as a regular case. It's a case under the POXO Act, which means it's a sexual offense against children. And the gravity of such offense is very severe. It's an attack against our constitution for such an offense to have taken place. And for the High Court to have given bail, to have protected Yediyurappa from arrest with such urgency, and by making statements in open court such as he's not any Tom, Dick and Harry, nor is he a bandit, we have to question, does a politically powerful person have a different law, and do oppressed caste and oppressed class persons have a different law that's applicable to them? because in any other case, immediately a Dalit woman or a Dalit person would have been arrested. But Mr. Yediyurappa has been given special treatment because he's the ex-chief minister. So one is, this is an assault on our constitution, because our constitution assures equality before the law and equal protection before the law. So there cannot be a different standard for Yediyurappa and a different standard for everybody else.
And
He's-
what are your next steps are you going to take, because in case because Home Minister also made a statement that he is
Yes.
very aged and all this. So what
So, see, we are shocked at the Home Minister's statements, and we have demanded in our press release as well that the Home Minister must apologize for the sort of statements he is making, and we are also demanding that the investigation into the offence by Yediyurappa must be swift, and a charge sheet must be immediately filed, taking everything into account, and ensure that the victims get justice and that Yediyurappa is brought to justice.
So if in case it's not done, what are you going to do?
We will demand justice, sir. There have been several cases where women are the survivors of sexual violence, and the perpetrators, because they're politically powerful, go scot-free. So we will definitely keep agitating until the victims get justice.
So thank you for speaking to Nashiman News. The activists say that law is equal to everybody and justice should be delivered, whoever it is, big or small, rich or poor, politician or no. So they are waiting for the justice to be delivered. In case there is no justice, they will go on protest, and you see that that justice has been given to the victim. This is Rizwan Asad, Nashiman News.